You just like walk away from it.
No.
Oh, that looks cool.
Not all fireworks gotta be all super crazy.
Yeah.
Looks way better in real life than the camera. I know, over there it sounds like a thunderstorm over there.
You guys ready for the normal candles? Here, come on.
I want to do them.
Got big one, little one.
I got a little one. I'll do them for first person view.
Ready, bro.
I know, there's like a war or something over there. There's like giant, bright lights over there. Oh.
Point it up, so, alright?
I don't put it in front of your face. What do we say?
Look.
Oi!
Oh, watch it,
That one kicked.
Oh, they're better.
They're always better than us. Stupid Roman candles. Your face.